My name is Tom. I'm CEO of WASE, and we treat wastewater to produce energy from the waste. So after I graduated, I went travelling, and I really saw the need for sanitation, wastewater treatment systems and energy services in rural communities. And I actually applied to work within the sector for NGOs, but unfortunately I didn't get the job because I didn't have the relevant skills and experience, because it was a new established role, so they wanted people with more entrepreneurship experience and drive. So from this I really wanted to upskill myself, and I saw that sustainability, entrepreneurship and design was the perfect course because it was an amalgamation of three areas that were really important to me and that would help me develop the skills so that I could go and work in this sector in the future. The seed for that idea really developed in the clean tech module, where I was really able to develop my own project, and I worked on looking at developing a water treatment system in a community in Kenya, and really got to develop my own ideas, my own concepts, and really start exploring this. And from this, that enabled me to grow and develop the idea in my final dissertation project, which I was really lucky and fortunate to win an award for, and then win a scholarship to do a PhD, which then really saw the whole idea grow. So after I was awarded the scholarship to do a PhD, I started developing prototype units in the lab, and I was constantly, whilst I was doing that, I was set up the business WASE, and we've been constantly applying for different competitions and grant applications, and these sort of seed investments have enabled us to build prototype and pilot units. We've just installed a large pilot system with a leading humanitarian agency in Italy, and now we've just got Innovate UK funding to do a large pilot system in Kenya next to the Dadaab refugee camp. Once we had won some funding, we then were able to develop and move to some offices. So we came to the Central Research Laboratory as it offered a really good sort of platform for us to develop and innovate our product and our service that we were doing. And this really sort of helped us establish our first prototype and pilot system that we started to install in London. We're going to keep in contact with the university. We're already linked with Co-Innovate. We're trying to do projects with the students currently. We have interns from the university, and two of the other co-founders who've joined graduated from Brunel. So we really want to keep the connections going with Brunel because they've been so incremental in establishing WASE.